Alright, so in this video, we're going to be learning how to take the user's input and use it in our programs. So to start, I'm going to create a new file. And I'm going to name this one input. I'm going to save it as a Python file. And as you can see, we have a new file called input.py. And to take the input, we just type input with opening and closing brackets at the end, and then inside the brackets, we put the question. So inside the brackets, my question is going to be, what's your name? And then when we save it, if we now run this program, we can see it asks us, what's your name? And the program hasn't ended here. It's actually waiting for our input. So I'm just going to write here, and the program ends. So to actually do something with the result of this input function, we have to save it to a variable. So I'm going to save the input to a variable called name. And all I'm going to do for now is just print out this variable name. So if we save the input to a variable name, when we print it, it should just give us our input back. So because of the print statement, it's just printing whatever we've input. So now just to finish off this simple program, I'm going to make it look like the program is introducing me. So I'm going to write hi, and then whatever the name is, I'm going to write my name is Mihir. So I'm just going to pretend that this program is just introducing myself for me. So in these brackets, I'm just going to write name. And just adding brackets and this name here isn't actually going to substitute name into the string. So to substitute name into the sentence, we have to use an F string. So just in the beginning of your string, just write F, like that. And what this will do is it will just put this name into the sentence here, inside these brackets. So to show you, if we did it this time, so if I put my name in here, it's not going to work, it's not going to look right. So I'm just going to put Adit's name. If I write Adit, it'll write, hi Adit, my name is Mihir. So as you can see, it just substituted the name into the sentence. And we can also just use plus, as we learned with strings. So instead of doing this thing with the curly braces and F strings, we can also just end each string like this, and then add plus signs. Because name, the output of name is also a string, so we can just add strings to the beginning and end of it to make it look like name is being inserted to the sentence, and this one will also work.